You will be amazed by this 2021 Toyota Camry. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.